Let's read this one.
Ruppert Archaeopteryx. This article relies excessively on references to primary sources. Please improve this article by adding secondary or tertiary sources. Find sources: Ruppert Archaeopteryx, News Times, Newspapers Times, Books Times, Scholar Times, Chester, October 2023. Learn how and when to remove this message. The Ruppert Archaeopteryx, English, ancient wing, is a Swiss high wing, pod and boom, single-seat, micro-lift glider that was designed by Roger Ruppert and is produced by Ruppert Composite GmbH. The aircraft is named for the feathered Archaeopteryx dinosaur that lived during the late Jurassic period in what is now Europe. Design and development, edit. The Archaeopteryx was conceived as a foot-launchable micro-lift sailplane, with the design goals of a light empty weight, low stall speed with gentle stall characteristics, good maneuverability and good high-speed performance. A further goal was a sailplane that could be foot-launched in zero-wind conditions. The Archaeopteryx design started in 1998 at the Zurich University of Applied Sciences, JUR, as a research project. The first flight of the initial prototype was in September 2001. Based on initial lessons, the prototype was modified and reflown in May 2002. Further flight tests and modifications were carried out, with the prototype reflying in its new form in March 2003. The production prototype design was started in 2006 and completed in 2009. The first series production started in the summer of 2009 and production deliveries to customers commenced in May 2010. As of September 2023, 38 aircraft had been delivered to customers in Australia, Argentina, Germany, France, Austria, USA, Canada and Switzerland. Most are using the electrical propulsion. The controls are conventional, with a stick for ailerons and elevator and rudder pedals. The aircraft uses flaps for glide path control, which function as air brakes when set to 45 to 70 degrees. A ballistic parachute with an area of 62 m, 670 square feet, is also fitted. The aircraft can be rigged for flight by one person in 15 minutes. It has been launched by foot, aerotow, bungee launch, autotow and winch launch. Typically takeoff and landing are on the main wheel. For foot launch, the bottom cover is opened to stick the legs out. A foot landing has been performed to achieve the FAA Class II certification. The aircraft can accommodate pilots from 165 to 195 centimeters, 65 to 77 in height and 55 to 100 kilograms, 121 to 220 pound. The company further developed a prototype equipped with 2 electric motors to provide self-launch capability. This prototype did not have satisfactory performance, and a single electric motor version was developed instead. This electric propulsion was introduced in mid-2014 to allow self-launching. Takeoff roll distance is 50 m, 160 feet, and rate of climb when fully charged is 2.5 m/s, 8.2 foot/s. It can run at full power for 11 minutes on one charge. The electrical motor uses 10.5 kilowatts at 3,800 rpm, and the propeller delivers 370 N when flying at 75 km/h. Storage is a 14S1P lithium polymer battery, Kokum, with 40 Ah capacity, delivering 2.07 kWh, maximum 58.8 V and maximum continuous current of 200 amps. Variants, edit. Archaeopteryx standard. Basic design without cockpit fairing. Archaeopteryx performance. Basic design, with cockpit fairing, no longer in production. Archaeopteryx race. Basic design, with cockpit fairing and windshield. Archaeopteryx Electrics. Race version with electrical propulsion. Specifications, standard, edit. Data from sailplane directory, company website and flight manual. General characteristics. 1 crew, 1. 2 length, 5.7 m, 18 feet 10 in. 3 wingspan, 13.6 m, 44 feet 7 in. 4 height, 2.9 m, 9 feet 7 in. 5 wing area, 12.8 m, 138 square feet. 6 empty weight, 54 kilograms, 119 pound. 7 gross weight, 160 kilograms, 353 pound. 8 max takeoff weight, 191 kilograms, 421 pound. Performance. 1 cruise speed, 57.5 kilometers per hour, 35.7 miles per hour, 31.0 kn. 2 stall speed, 39 km /h, 1924 miles per hour, 1621 kn. 3 never exceed speed, 130 km per hour, 81 miles per hour, 70 kn. 4G limits. Plus 4.0 / minus 2.0 at 130 km per hour and plus 5.1 / minus 3.1 at 100 km per hour. 5 maximum glide ratio, 28:1. 6 rate of sink, 0.50 m /s, 98 foot /min. Avionics. 1 flight X6030 GPSW /flam. See also, edit. Aircraft of comparable role, configuration, and era. 1 Ariane Swift. 2 Hall Vector 1. 3 Morpin Carbon Dragon. 4 Rensselaer ARP-1. Related lists. 1 List of gliders. References, edit.